Don't throw away your old toothbrushes. Hello everyone. These worn brushes may look useless at first, but they have a compact and sturdy handle, flexible bristles, and plastic that is easy to reshape. With a few simple changes, they can be turned into very useful tools around your home. Watch this video to the end to see how they can be reused in practical ways. Start with the first toothbrush. Hold it firmly and bring in a lighter. Apply gentle heat to the neck of the handle. Bend the handle backward to form a 90-degree angle. Hold it in place for a few seconds until it cools. Now, take the second toothbrush. This one has a broken neck. Heat the end of the handle carefully. As the plastic softens, press it into the brush head at a right angle. Hold it steady until the plastic cools and hardens again. The handle is now aligned straight with the bristles. This design creates better control when cleaning deep or narrow spaces. Move to the third toothbrush. Use scissors to trim the bristles shorter. This creates a firmer surface. These simple transformations show how everyday items can be reused in practical ways. Now, take a piece of kitchen sponge and cut it in half. It works well on flat surfaces and can hold cleaning solutions more effectively. Make a small hole in the center. Push the toothbrush into the sponge so it sits securely. This combination creates a hybrid cleaning tool. It has the firmness of a brush and the softness of a sponge. Now, prepare the first liquid mixture. Take a packet of coffee and pour it into a cup. Old toothbrushes become specialized tools. Simple mixtures turn into protective coatings. With a little creativity, materials that seem useless can serve new purposes. Add a small amount of alcohol into the cup. Stir slowly until the mixture becomes even. The coffee provides color and mild staining properties, while the alcohol helps it spread and penetrate surfaces more easily. If you have a better idea or a different way to do this, write it down in the comments so the whole community can see it. Next, prepare another mixture. Take a separate container and pour in acetone. Add pieces of styrofoam into the liquid. Watch closely as the foam begins to shrink and dissolve. The volume reduces quickly, and the foam turns into a thick, sticky plastic compound. Now, prepare a wooden test piece. Use a marker to divide the surface into two sections. Label one side clearly so the comparison is easy to see later. Dip a brush into the coffee mixture and apply it evenly across one side of the wood. Leave the other side untreated. Allow it to dry naturally. While waiting, move to a common problem in daily life. A computer keyboard often collects dust and debris between the keys. Take the fourth toothbrush and begin brushing across the surface. The bristles slide easily into narrow gaps. Dust lifts away quickly. This simple tool cleans areas that are difficult to reach with cloths or larger brushes. Now, add a foam cleaner to the keyboard. Use the toothbrush again and gently scrub the surface. The foam breaks down dirt, and the brush distributes it evenly. Wipe the surface clean. The keyboard now looks fresh and free from dust. Move to another situation. A coffee cup has been left unwashed. Residue builds up along the bottom and inner walls. A sponge cannot reach inside easily. Take the second toothbrush with the straight handle. Insert it into the cup and begin scrubbing. The shape allows better control. The bristles reach into tight corners and remove buildup effectively. This is something a regular toothbrush simply cannot do. It proves that a broken toothbrush is not really waste, with just a little creativity. It can become far more useful in everyday life. Instead of throwing it away, a simple modification turns it into a practical tool that handles tasks a standard brush was never designed to do. Rinse the cup and observe the result. The surface is clean again. Now return to the wooden test piece. The coated side has dried completely. Spray water across the surface. Watch how the untreated side absorbs moisture immediately. The wood darkens as water penetrates the fibers. Now observe the coated side. Water stays on the surface and does not soak in. This shows how effective the coating can be. Take the experiment further. Combine the two mixtures. Pour the styrofoam solution into the coffee mixture. Stir slowly until they blend together. The result is a thicker compound with both sealing and coloring properties. This mixture can protect surfaces while also restoring their appearance. Now move to a real application. A wooden door has faded over time. The surface looks dry and uneven. Dip the sponge brush into the mixture and begin applying it across the door. Spread it evenly and follow the grain of the wood. The sponge helps distribute the liquid smoothly. Use the bent toothbrush to reach corners and edges. These areas are often missed during normal cleaning or coating. The angled tool allows precise application in tight spaces. Work carefully and take your time with each step. Small adjustments in technique can improve the final result. Focus on control, even application, and proper drying time. If this video gave you new ideas, try experimenting with tools and materials you already have at home. Many useful solutions are hidden in everyday objects. Share your results and let others see what you created. Simple ideas like these can save money and make daily tasks easier.